Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled deep within the mountains, there lived a young dancer named Mei Lin. Mei Lin had always possessed a natural talent for dance, captivating the hearts of those who watched her graceful movements. Her performances were mesmerizing, but she yearned for something more. She sought a deeper understanding of the dance and a connection that transcended the physical realm. One day, as Mei Lin was practicing her routine by a sparkling river, she noticed an old man seated on a nearby rock. His eyes twinkled with wisdom, and his gentle smile invited her closer. Curiosity filled her heart, and she approached him with a respectful bow. "Dear sir," Mei Lin said, "I am a dancer, and while I love the art form, I seek a dance that goes beyond the surface. I long to explore the unity and interconnectedness of all things. Can you guide me on this path?" The old man nodded, understanding Mei Lin's desire. He gestured for her to sit beside him and began to share a Zen story. Long ago, there was a great master named Hikaru. He was known for his unique style of dance, which incorporated elements of both light and shadow. His movements were so precise that it seemed as if he could merge with the very essence of his surroundings. One day, a young student asked Hikaru the secret to his extraordinary dance. The master replied, "In the realm of duality, we see the world as separate entities, light and darkness, joy and sorrow, life and death. But the truth lies in transcending these divisions and embracing the unity that underlies all things." The student was puzzled and asked, "But how can we dance beyond duality?" Hikaru smiled and said, "Imagine yourself as a drop of water in a vast ocean. You are no longer separate but part of a greater whole. Dance with the awareness that every movement is interconnected, just as ripples form when a stone touches the water's surface." The student pondered Hikaru's words and began to practice with a newfound perspective. Gradually, he realized that every step he took, every twirl he performed, was part of a grander dance, an intricate tapestry woven by the universe itself. As Mei Lin listened to the story, a sense of enlightenment washed over her. She understood that her dance was not merely an individual expression but a way to connect with the world around her. With renewed determination, she thanked the old man and returned to her village, ready to embrace the dance of non-duality. From that day forward, Mei Lin's performances took on a new dimension. With each movement, she celebrated the unity of all things, the delicate balance between yin and yang, the harmony between light and shadow. Her dance became a testament to the interconnectedness of life itself. Word of Mei Lin's transformative performances spread far and wide. People flocked to witness the beauty and wisdom she expressed through her movements. Mei Lin's dance inspired others to explore the depths of their own art forms, reminding them that everything is connected and that true unity lies beyond the illusion of duality. And so, Mei Lin continued to dance, spreading the message of non-duality throughout the land. Her graceful steps and ethereal presence touched the hearts of all who witnessed her art, leaving an indelible mark on their souls. Remember, dear friends, that even in the dance of life, we can find unity and interconnectedness. Just as Mei Lin discovered, embracing the underlying unity of all things can bring harmony, joy, and a profound sense of oneness. Let the dance of non-duality guide you on your own journey, and may it lead you to a place of boundless connection and enlightenment.